Hi, I am Joan Lok. In a typical Sumi-e landscape, we usually like to express the harmony between human and nature. And because of that, a lot of artists in classic landscape would add a human figure. And in the olden times, the figures are usually in these four professions. They will be the woodcutter, the farmer, the fisherman, and also a scholar. So in my next coming workshop, I will talk about these four characters and also have examples of how to express a working woodcutter, fisherman, and farmer. And a majority of our time would actually dedicate to the scholar. So we will talk about the attire of the scholar, including different kind of hats because it does represent different status. And on top of that, beside the scholar, I'm going to also work on his page because a lot of time they would have a small servant boy to carry the musical instrument or the tea set or the chess set to the mountain. So we will practice on a various positions of how the scholar, could be walking, could be admiring the landscape and things like that. So you can easily use this figure and add it to your landscape. And in our demo piece, we will actually practice what we learn and then add a scholar to our landscape. So I hope you will join me in studying how to draw a small figure in a classic Sumi-e landscape. Thank you. I hope to see you.